All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I worked on a handful of different things. One of the first things I started was working on extending or adding this strut rack. It has some feet, and then I screwed it down. They're both 44 inches on the left and right side, and then a little shallow piece of 1 foot strut across the top. And that is a support for this 1/2 inch pipe that I added coming out of this machine, which is tapping off of one of the circuits coming out for the plugs, and that is for this I guess it's called a hoist, but it's a 120 twist lock plug. Zip tied the wires down the back side of this machine, and then there's just a little chase nipple that goes right into the box on the back side, and its box is screwed down. I didn't do any of the box or anything like that, but I just added to it to one of the plugs, tap and power. And then moving on, I worked on this plug right here. My boss took it apart, and then I tied that together, and then had to add another red and white wire because basically took the plug off that was sitting right there and then sent it down to this plug location around the corner on the bottom of this workbench. So this white and orange plug was on the back side, and then I just basically extended it down here into the bottom of this workbench. So I had to sit under here for a little bit and do that. So luckily I wasn't too tall. And then I went ahead and moved on to supporting this 1/2 inch piece of pipe. Unfortunately, because someone didn't do box offset or anything like that, they just assumed that they didn't need a support. Kind of messed me up because I had to, because of the different depths of the pipe next to each other. One was, I think, 1.25 inches or 1 inch. The other one was just 1/2 inch. There was a difference because of the box. So basically I had to add this little piece of strut and had to sit that as far left as I could because of the pipe. And then I had to use a couple square washers to make up the distance because someone didn't, like I said, box offset. So luckily I got it to work. Kind of janky, but anyways, got that taken care of. Just was hard to bolt down because of the pipe in the way. And then for the rest of the day, worked on these lights right here with the apprentice because the boss went home. And then stopped by the old job site at the marina. I wanted to check it out. I was up in town. This was Friday night, beautiful sunset. I wanted to come by at night and check out the lights, see if they ever got finished and if they were working the second half. If you remember the last 2 circuits, I think it was circuit 8 and 9 if I remember, but everything works. It looks great as I drove by, just out enjoying the night, and that was the last one. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today went by really fast. It was enjoyable. Got a lot of stuff done. I feel like I'm missing something, but I can't remember. I think I got everything. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else like social medias, my second YouTube channel, or video playlists. Don't forget about the giveaway, which ends in a few days. And if you're entering your PayPal, just make sure to maybe do a space with your email address, because YouTube might delete it or mark it as spam. But I will go through and check and unmark all the spam comments, even though it's not spam. I'll unmark all the spam before I do the giveaway, so no one is disqualified or anything like that. But if YouTube automatically deletes your comment, then that's not my fault. So anyways, I'll try to specify that in the next giveaway, so no one gets accidentally deleted. But anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And there's the other thing I always say that I forgot. But anyways, have a great rest of your day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Alright, so I thought the video was over, but I did want to mention a few more things. I have an exciting, hopefully, video tomorrow. I don't know if I can get the video done tomorrow or the project done tomorrow, but I bought something from Amazon. It's for my Corvette. It's a mod. And I've been wanting to do this for several years now, and I finally pulled the trigger. It's quite the rage these days. I only told 3 people, so it's going to be a surprise to mostly all of you. Hopefully I can do it right. That's my only concern, is hooking it up right. It's pretty easy, it's pretty basic, but it's pretty cool in my opinion. So I'm excited to hopefully get that done tomorrow. I would love to get that done tomorrow. And then also some sad news coming up later. Actually, I could probably just tell you now, but I think my roommate is moving out. Unfortunately, didn't see this coming because he got a job promotion and pretty much has to move away. So that's really sad. Everything was working out really great, but just his job kind of switched locations on him, and he's going to be working like 200 miles away, so can't be making that commute every day. So don't blame him. No hard feelings at all, but just sad to see him go so soon. But yeah, other than that, like I said, trying to get the video out tomorrow. I'd love to get my project done tomorrow, but other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much. Peace out.